All right, folks, coming back at you here again for Ozark Mountain Outdoor Adventures. Definitely appreciate all the new subscribers and welcome you to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely have a lot of action still in store for you. Definitely like these trail cam videos. Definitely going to be doing some more of those. Go ahead and get down into the comments. Let us know what you'd like to do. What's your favorite? If you like to do hunting, if you like to do fishing, please don't be shy and get down into the comments. Let us know you're here. Let us know where you're from and what you'd like to see on the channel. Definitely will help us grow and know where our audience likes to see. And definitely, again, thanks for tuning in.